Every day is a good day at Brickersville. Okay, so now I am going to make sure that this, yeah, so it'll work that way. So I will draw it out this way, and then we'll turn it and draw it the other way, then try and figure out how to make a circle, and then try to figure out thirds of each semicircle so we know exactly where the points, the lines need to be. That's the idea anyway. Here we go. Here we go. So I put notches here, 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 and we drew this. So now we kind of know where these points need to be. So here I am trying to figure that out. And let me see if I can do this. Hang on a minute. Okay, so what I did is, now I know I could make a circle and it would be easier, but I don't have, I suppose I could just take a pencil and a line. I mean, I could try that next time, but, so I folded a piece of paper and I'm just sort of measuring it against these corners. And it's looking, this one's a little small, but I think it's good enough for me to draw another square and then see if I can figure out how the circle might look. So I pulled a line from here to here, measured the halfway point, pulled a line from here to here, measured the halfway point, and we don't really have a good intersection. I mean, it goes there, and go here, and it would, and this would not be the halfway point, so that's not the center. So it's probably like somewhere in between, like halfway in between. Okay, and again, this is Lego, right? So the resolution is not going to be fine. Okay, so now we can place this back here. Okay, let's suppose we did that. And then the points, oh right, so the points of the circle, we still have to figure out what is, whether that's 1, 2, yeah, I think that would be right, wouldn't it? So if I just had this aim towards here, had this aim towards here, oh, see this? Look at this. This only up to this width? No, because the circle would actually go up to here. Okay, so we're just using, I'm so confused. Okay. Okay, so I used the old string pencil screwdriver trick, and I think it might be a little bit better. As you can see, things are not quite perfect or distinguishable, but I'm going to go with these points instead. So now I'm going to mark off these points as are right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. Okay. All righty-o. Then, what next? Put this back on and see how we line these up. Oh, so now I have to draw straight lines in, because each one of these lines will be what we try to follow. Okay? So now I've drawn lines. This is the center here, and these are the lines that our bricks will follow. Oh, wait a minute. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, not 3. Okay, so at least now we can take a string and connect it here and divide it into 3. There we go. Okay, another way to do it. 10.75 is the distance from the center to the point. So if that is the radius of our circle, 10.75, let's see, the circumference is 2 pi r, 3.14 times 2 times 10.75, so 8, 2 ones 2, 3 4 6, 6.28, 62.8 times 0.75, so 3/4, 62.8 times 3 over 4, 4 into 6, 1, 22, 5, 28, 7, 15.7 times 3 equals 21, 2, 3, 5, 16, 46.1. 46.1 is the circumference, and we divide it by 6 equals 6 into 46, 36, 42, 7, and then 41, 7.7. So each segment is 7.7 inches, I think. That seems like not enough. Let's take a look. Okay, it's obviously been a long time since I've done my arithmetic. So I went over to the Excel worksheet, and it's 10.75 times 6.28 divided by 6, and got 11.25. So let's try that now. Okay, now I have a pattern piece that I can follow. So all I need to do is fill in the black, and then move it over and fill in the yellow, and then fill in the yellow and the black. So that's what I'll be doing. I don't know if I'll finish today, but it's a start anyway. Okay, this is what we have so far. It's coming along.